today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you read the title right. I am selling everything. I'm selling literally everything. And listen to the end, because in the end of this video, I can tell you, you are going to understand why I'm saying that, why this is my plan, what is going on for Bitcoin. Now you still might think, hey, this guy is crazy. Please listen, hear me out, yeah? Listen to me until the very end, because the evidence and proof I want to show to you today, it's very clear. Let's go straight into it. I want to not lose any time, and you already see this is not a very long video, so I want to keep it as short as possible. And of course, what I am saying is, I'm basically selling everything to go all in Bitcoin. I'm not selling all my Bitcoin, obviously. Right now, there is something painting in the chart which I really feel obligated to show you, something which makes me more bullish on Bitcoin than I've been in a very, very long time. And I'm not talking about what's going to happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Who cares? Like, I am talking here about the midterm and what we can expect within the next few weeks to come. I talked about this one here before, right? So I'm not gonna bore you with that. Watch my last video. You can see it on the channel. It's still there. It's still up to date and still very, very much what my thinking is. But what you can see here is, if we are going, and this is not even really what I want to talk about, what you can see here on the on the daily candles is we are in this descending channel. And I want to make a very, very strong claim. The moment we are breaking this descending channel to the upside, closing it with the daily candle above with significant volume support, that is the moment, dear ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go bananas. And I am talking, this is the moment where we will break 70,000 US dollars, where we are going, let me quickly go back here, where we are not only going to break 70,000 US dollars, where we are most likely going to go to 100,000 very quickly. Because my claim is, the moment we are breaking 70,000 US dollars, then with the weekly candle close, with significant volume support, I do expect 100,000 to come in no time. Like, I'm talking about not 1-2 days or something, but like 2, 3, 4 weeks. Very realistic. 5 weeks, 6 weeks, okay. But think about 100,000 US dollar Bitcoin. Having a 10% weekly return for Bitcoin is like, whenever we go parabolic, not so much out of the woods, right? It's actually pretty realistic. And yes, that is why I'm still here in my trades, raking in 6.5 million US dollars in a profit. But more importantly, the history shows you easily. I mean, look at the first cycle, actually going from 2011 to 2015. We always have this one big correction and afterwards a parabolic rise towards the upside, which is always the last phase of the bull market. Second cycle, let's go into it. Big pump, massive correction, parabolic cycle towards the upside, which was the bull market high. Well, third cycle, 2017 to 2022. Big pump to the upside, massive correction. It took some time, but well, what jump started afterwards? The massive pump towards the upside and end of the bull market. So where are we here at right now? You can see it on the right-hand side. The fourth cycle, we had a massive pump, a correction to the downside. Bitcoin already corrected. And what I'm waiting for right now is just to break the freaking 70,000 US dollar level. And guess what is happening afterwards? Well, I can tell you one thing. I strongly expect afterwards a massive last parabolic pump towards the upside, which concludes the Bitcoin bull market, most likely, I can't tell you for sure, towards the first quarter of 2025. This is what I'm expecting right now. This is why I'm in my trade. And this is the message I want to get out to you, because so many people are bearish right now. After Bitcoin going 2 years upwards, not even having reached an all-time high. And you are bearish? What have you been waiting for 4 years? Dear ladies and gentlemen, I hope this changes a little bit of your perspective. I hope this inspires you. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about that. Of course, leave some comments. Share the video with your friends. If you have any friend who is a little bit doubtful about Bitcoin, let me know down below. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.